Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit space details and reserve desks using the Space Manager tool in Data Editor Plus. To start, open Data Editor Plus and click on the Space Manager tile. Use the search filters to find the space or spaces you wish to make changes to. Press Search to load your results and click on the records you wish to edit. You can select spaces one at a time, use the Select All function to select all search results at once. Once you have made your selection, use the fields on the right to make your changes. You can update your settings to refine the information displayed in your results. For more options, click the Advanced Search to filter by cost center, business hierarchy and more. When adding space standards, remember to click Select these options to add the items to your search. To save your search, give your search a name and click Save. You can use the buttons in a toolbar to switch between list and tile view according to your preference. To visually select records via floor plan, click the floor plan icon. Note that you need to have selected a floor in your search before you can access the floor plan viewer. You can start selecting the rooms to edit by clicking straight on the floor plan. To highlight different space standards such as room category or room use, click on the highlighter tool and select the category from the drop down. Select the rooms you wish to edit and return to the selector to make the changes. The Space Manager tool also allows you to reserve a workspace for new starters not yet added to the HR feed. To do this, click Reserve a Desk and type in the building and floor. Fill in the rest of the form details and type the date the employee is likely to be added to the HR feed under expiration date. And that's all there is to it.